Hello guys. So this class is about trading platforms. Okay, this class is about trading platforms, and we want to understand trading platforms. So it's trading platforms, features, and functionalities. And this is an introduction. So today we're going to look at the MetaTrader platform, right? The MetaTrader platform, and the goal of this MetaTrader platform tutorial is to help us understand how to trade on the MetaTrader platform, how the workaround, basically a workaround on the MetaTrader platform, right? So this is where you do your analysis, right? After you created your account on Vantage Markets, clients portal, right? Once you create an account, we'll give you access to your client portal. Then automatically you also get a live account created for you. So once you get the live account details, the live account details are usually three items, right? Number one is your login details, like your MetaTrader login. So you find your MetaTrader login, then you find your MetaTrader password, then there will be a server number. You see server. So there's login, there's password, there's server, right? Now, for you to log in, the server, first of all, is what you need to, that server is very important, right? That server will determine whether your account will be logged in or not, right? So what you do here is, once you take those details, you come here, you come to file. Okay, so this is you now trying to impute your account right here, right? So you come to file, you click on file. So under here, it says open new account. It says login to trade account. So you are not opening a new account. You are only logging into trade, right? So you click on login to trade. Usually there will be a pop-up, right? Usually there will be a pop-up screen, okay, to help you, to make you log in. But even if that doesn't, you're not able to log in, you're not able to do that, you can click on, let's hold on, let's see. Log into trade account. Okay, so this is it. This is the pop-up that you're meant to have, right? So you're going to select here your live account server. So you can see there are so many different servers here, right? So many servers here, right? So you will see there's server 1, there's live international live 1, live 10, live 11, live 2, and all of that. So there are so many different live servers here. So when you get your email, when you get your live account email, your server will be there, your server number will be there. You might find Vantage International Live 11. So when you come here, you select Live 11. Or if it's Live 12, you come here, you select Live 12. Vantage International Live 12. Save account details, account information, leave that steady. Then your login, you will see your login. It is better that you copy and paste rather than trying to write out the number manually. It's better you copy and paste. So if your email is open on your laptop, that's preferable, right? So you just copy and paste them. Then the password you copy and paste too. So the password can contain numbers, special characters, and all kinds. You know, the goal is to make it strong, right? So once you take that password, they are automatically generated password. The automatically generated password. So it's not password that someone else has record of, right? So you put it here, you will see how the password will be. To be, you know, to have a lot of characters, a lot of special characters in it to just make it very safe. And it's usually numbers, alphabets, uppercase, lowercase, and all that, all combinations put together. You copy from your email and you paste it here and you log in, right? Once you log in, your account will be here like this, okay? So now, how do you use this platform? How do you use this platform? First of all, to the left-hand side, let's start from the top. So from the top, you have file, you have view, insert, chart, tools, windows. So on this session, I will first of all be concentrating on the tools that you are going to use the most, right? So here you find under market watch here, this is where you find the instrument that you should be trading or you want to trade, right? The instrument that you want to trade. So let me remove this. So this is where you find the instrument that you want to trade, right? So let's say we want to trade. Let's say we want to trade Euro USD, right? So we'll right click and then we click on new chart window. That's one way to do it. So right click, we click on open chart window. So you see Euro USD has been opened now on chart window, right? Now, another way to do it is you could be on a different chart. You could be on a different chart. You could be on a different chart here, and you just want to, you want your chart, you want your Euro USD chart to appear on top of this one. What you just do is you click on it, you drag it, you click on it, on it, you go to Euro USD, you click on it, you drag it to the screen and you release it. Once you release it, this Euro USD appears here, right? It appears here. So those are two ways to do it. There's another third way to do it, right? You come here, under file here, not file itself, but just under file here where it says create a new chart. You click on that, you look for Euro USD and you click on Euro USD. It opens the chart. So you see there are three ways to do it now. You right click and you open chart, you drag to the screen, or you use this area here, create new chart. You click on create new chart, and then you're able to create new chart, but picking whatever chart you want, right? So it opens. Okay, so let me remove this. Now, once you've done that, probably next thing you want to do is take a trade, right? You want to take a trade. Okay, so what you want to do is you come to new order. New order is how you take a trade. So new order is how you take a trade, right? You come to new order, you click on new order. Okay. Now I'm taking some trades here because I'm on a practice account. I'm just using. I just want to use this as a educational platform. So you can I'll be free to do a lot of things here, right? So you have Euro USD. So once you click on new order, right? Now notice you are on Euro USD charts. Euro USD charts. Once you click on new order, it will pop up Euro USD by default. Okay. Now, if you were not on Euro USD chart and you wanted to trade Euro USD, let's say you are on this chart. This chart is a BTC chart, and you see BTC USD. This is a BTC chart. But assume you are on BTC chart and you want to trade Euro USD, how you would do it is once you click on new order, BTC is what will appear by default. Then you can then select from here and look for Euro USD. Euro USD, where's Euro USD? EURO USD. We'll see that quickly. EURO USD. Okay, so I'm sure we are seeing that this takes time. Now we're trying to look for Euro USD. So what this is telling us that it is just better for you to find, okay, look at it on top here. You click on it, it appears there, right? So what this tells you is that when you want to enter a trade and you want to enter fast, which many times you want to do because you may want to jump into a trade right now, and then before you click on buy or sell, price has already moved a little. So you cannot be doing that. You can't be clicking on another chart and then try looking for the pair you are looking for. That's a long process. So what you do is that you come to the pair you want to trade. So if I'm on BTC now, I want to trade Euro USD, I drag Euro USD to the chart, then I click on new order. So I click on new order, I don't have to go go about looking for Euro USD again because it's already there by default, right? So now here's where I customize my volume. My volume is my lot size. Volume is lot size. So lot size is here now is 0.1. Let's say I want to change it to 0.05, right? Okay, I select that. Then for the trade I want to enter, there is definitely a stop loss value that I will have. There's a stop loss value I will have. So let's say in this case now, we are using two things. Let's say we put our stop loss under this place. We put our stop loss here, right? So our stop loss is here, or let's say our stop loss is here, okay? We are entering this trade now. Watch this. This is market execution. So our take profit, let's say our take profit is here. Let's say our take profit is on top there. So we are entering this trade around this market execution. Market execution means you are entering the trade now for a buy. And then we have our stop loss, we have our take profit. So there are two ways to enter this trade. So I can set my stop loss here and set my take profit here and enter the trade. So in which case, this is my stop loss, 1.07958. 1.07958. That's my stop loss. My take profit is 1.08810. 1.08810, right? Then I want to buy, right? Market execution is what I want to choose. Remember, once you click on this place, you will see market execution. You will see pending order. So you're going to go with market execution. So you're going to go with market execution, and then you're going to click on buy, right? Buy. So when you enter this buy trade, price is already, everything is already set. Everything is already set. Look at it. Everything is already set. So now, can you see SLTP? Everything is already set on this trade now. Then you enter the trade, right? Okay, so that's one way to enter the trade. Another way to enter the trade is come here. I want to buy, right? Euro USD buy. I click on buy first. Now my buy is activated. My buy is activated, but my trade does not have stop loss and take profit. See, stop loss is 0, take profit is 0. So then I will now modify this trade. I right click on the trade, that particular trade. I right click on that particular trade. I click on modify order. Modify order. So stop loss is going to be, my stop loss is 1.07787. Okay, I made a mistake on the other one. 1.07787. That's the stop loss. Okay, no, I made a mistake. Okay, my stop loss is this. This is my stop loss, right? It's because I dragged the lines. That's why I was. It's 1.07, 1.07958, 1.0707958. That's my stop loss. Then my take profit is this 1.08810. 1.08810. That's my take profit, right? Now you see it says modify buy order with stop loss and take profit. I click OK. I click on modify. So my trade now is modified. So I have two trades running now, but I have taken these two trades differently in two different ways. I've taken these two trades in two different ways, right? Okay, so that's when you're entering a trade. The market watch, like I said, is where you see all your instruments. All instruments are on market watch. And I've shown us how to pull out any instrument we want to trade from there. We just scroll and look for it. Now, when you open MetaTrader at first, you will not be able to see all the instruments that you have to trade are available to trade. You won't be able to see all of them. So what you need to do is you're going to right click on this on Market Watch. You will click on Show All because you will only see a few of them. You only see a few of them. So you click on Show All. Once you click on Show All, everything will now become available here. You'll now be able to go through anything you want to go through, look for whatever instrument you want to look for, and then you'll be able to place trade on them, right? So that's what Market Watch is. Navigator is where you find your, Navigator doesn't always have to be on here. is where you find your different accounts. If you have 2, 3 different accounts logged in here, logged onto your MetaTrader, then you'll be able to see the different accounts here. Okay, so you will see live accounts. Live accounts are usually the accounts with a golden man wearing a suit. A gold, the man is golden. That's a live account, right? Then for demo account is the guy with the green body. The live account is the guy with the gold body, right? And the demo account is the one with the man with the green body, right? So if you have multiple accounts, not just like I logged in this account now, right? I can decide to log in another account. This is a demo account, right? I could decide to log in another account. That kind of account will be live, it could be demo, it really doesn't matter. I'll just do the same thing I did at first. I click on File, then I go to Log in to Trade Account, then I'll log in the details here. Remember, you start with server. You want to get the server right first, because the server will determine whether this account will be active or not. If the server is incorrect, or you choose a different server mistakenly, or whatever, or not, or you didn't really notice the server you were given, and you said, okay, let me just pick one server there, it will not work. Very likely it won't work, right? So that's why you want to pay attention to the server number you received in your mail, right? Yeah, so you can log that in. Once you log that new account in, it will appear here, be it demo or live. So if it's demo, it will appear on that demo account, and you'll see it with a green body, right? If you log in onto live account, you will see, if you log a live account in, you will see an account that is live, and it will be a green, so a gold body, right? So yeah, that's the way it is. Now, these are the trades that are running here. So when you come in here, under terminal is where you find your trades and a whole lot of other things. So you have terminal, you have trade, you have exposure. Under account is where you find the profit, the trades that have already been closed. You find trades that have already been closed. So you see a trade with profit and loss and everything. Profit and loss, is it positive or negative? The trades that have already closed, you will see the trade that was taken. Okay, 0.1 USD CHF, 0.1 USD CHF, at what price it was bought, the stop loss, take profit. It will literally log everything for you. It will log everything for you. It was triggered at this price. Then this is the trade. This is the profit that was banked on that particular trade. You see it. Now, if you have 20 trades here, 100 trades here, everything will be showing up here. Everything will be showing up here. Okay. So on that trades, you see your trades are running. Now I have 3 trades running, right? So I'm seeing positive. I'm not seeing negative. It means that my trades are running in positive. That's the reason why I'm seeing them as positive right now, right? So yeah, you can take as many trades as you want to take. Then under here, you find margin level, you have free margin, you have margin. Margin is the amount of money that is allocated to the trades that is running. So of the 50,000 that I have in this account, $24 is what is allocated to these 3 trades. These trades, that's the money they are consuming in order for me to be able to take the trade I'm taking now. So these are the trades that are allocated to this particular account. This is the money that is allocated for this trade. It's more like it's an allowance that is allocated to this particular trade. So even if I have to take so many different trades now, this 24.75, I cannot use it to enter another trade because it has been allocated to these trades. But when I close these trades now, I close all of them now, this $24 will disappear from here and return back to the 50. So that's just the way it works there, right? So now, yeah. Now let's come to the top here. When you come to view, okay, view. Now look at here. This terminal, I can remove it. I can remove the navigator. I can remove market watch. Now I have only my chart. I have only my chart. But if I need to restore those things that I removed or that disappeared, how do I restore them? I come to view. So when I view, those things are what's appearing here now. They are appearing on that view. So there's market watch. Remember, we have navigator, then we have terminal. Terminal is where you take trades. Navigator is where your live accounts are with your indicators and everything. Market watch is where you pick trades from. So let's pick it again. Let's go back. Now we click on it. Market watch is back. Okay. So what else is back? What else do we want to put back? Let's bring the terminal. Let's bring the terminal back. So terminal is back now. Now we can see our trades again. So you can be running, your trades can be running, and you decide I don't want to expose it. Maybe you are somewhere, your laptop is open, and you decide you just don't want someone looking into your trades to see what your trades are doing. You just remove the terminal for now. Remove the terminal, your trades are still running, but nobody can see what's in your account, right? Yeah. So that's how you use that. And then and also there are some shortcuts here. There are some shortcuts here. So you can see the terminal is here. Navigator is here as well. So these are shortcuts, and the reason why those ones they have shortcuts because they are very regularly used. Since they are very regularly used, that's why we have shortcuts for them. That's why we have shortcuts for them, right? Yeah. So now, so here we have tools here. We have tools that we use for analysis to mark up the chart. These are tools. So we have number one is a cursor. We have cursor. We have cursor. Cursor is how we drag things up and down. We click, we double click, and all that. Cursor is how you do all that. Then you have crosshair. Crosshair is how you measure things on the chart. You use it as a measuring tool for the chart, right? So if I want to know now, the market moves in pips, right? Price moves in pips and points. Price moves in pips and price moves in points as well, right? So now if I want to know that price move from here to here, and I want to know the distance between this area and this top, I want to know now that price is moving all the way from here. If price gets to this point, I want to know how many pips that will be or how many points that will be. So I'll put my cursor here, under here. I left click, and I use the right hand to drag across my screen. Okay, I use the right hand to drag across my screen, and I put my cursor there. So you see 900, the middle one is what we're looking at. The middle one is 914. 917. So that's 917 points, which is the same thing as 91.7 pips. That's the same thing as 91.7 pips. So that's good. 917 points is 91.7 pips. So the first number that is 42, that 42 is the number, is it like the time, the number of candles between where I clicked and the number of candles between where I clicked and the number of candles between where I clicked and that area where I moved to. So that's what is measuring there. It's measuring it as 42. It's measuring it as 42. Number of candles between where I clicked and held it to where I'm going to. That's 42, right? So the one on the right is the current price, where my cursor is there. That current price, that's what my cursor is. That's where my cursor is now. That's what is showing there, up there, right? So if you want to close your trade, you can come here and use these buttons here. You can click on this and click on close. So your trade has been closed, right? If I want to close this one too, I can come here, click on this, I click on close. Okay, now I've closed it. Now I can also leave the trade to keep running. I can also leave my trade to keep running. Since I have a stop loss and take profit already, what that means is that with stop loss and take profit, I'm expecting my trade to either go up or come down. And whichever way I've put a target, I put a risk. A risk is my stop loss. Target is my take profit. I've already put a target, a risk and a target on this trade. So I really need not bother about this trade. All right. Now you notice that our margin has decreased. Our margin was 24 before. Now, since we have closed our trade out, closed two trades, that means our margin, the amount that is allocated for this one trade now is just $10. It's just $10, right? So that's how you do that. Then of course you come here, you have horizontal line, you put it on the chart if you want to use horizontal line, and then you can, once you put it on the chart, it's usually green, it's usually red by default. But you can change the color. You can double click it, you right click. Once you double click, you see it highlighted. Can you see it's highlighted? Then you right click on it. Then you click on vertical line properties. So let's change it to black. Change it to black. Then these are the buttons that you use to, you see how thin the line is? I want to make it thicker. So I choose a thick line. I choose black. I click OK. You see now, it has become thicker. Thicker. You see? So it's changed color and it becomes thicker. Now, the same thing goes for trend line. So trend line, when you initially get trend line, when you come to the chart initially, the trend line will do this. It will be moving up and down like this, moving up and down like this. This is what we call ray. So most of the time we don't need this ray. We need the line to do exactly what we want it to do at the time we want it to do it. So what we'll do is we'll right click on it, we go to properties, we remove ray, remove ray. Now, and also this trend line usually comes red by default. Okay, so I'm the one that changed it to black. So I remove that ray, I change it to black, and I click OK. So you see, now it's steady. So I can then drag it to wherever I want to drag it to. I can carry it from place to place. Now remember, you always need to make sure that it's selected. You always need to make sure that the line is selected. Now, if you double click, you are deselected it. If you double click again, it will come back. It will come back again, right? Just like that. And you can drag it and put it anywhere you want to put it in the chart. So that's trend line. Then here, this is text box. In case you want to type anything on the screen. If you want to type anything, let's say I want to type enter here, enter trade here, enter trade here, enter trade here. I want to type it on the screen. I just type it here, and I may make this one. Let's say I make this one black. I click on OK. Hold on. Enter trade here. Okay, so why is it not showing up? Let me see. Text, yeah. Okay, text, okay. Okay, this is where we should put it. Enter trade here, not the other one. Enter trade here. Enter trade here. We'll put it inside text, right? We click OK, so it appears there, right? And you notice that it's selected. It has this small ray there, so that means we can drag it up and down. Once we double click on it, that ray is gone, so it's clear. So when we want to drag it again, we'll double click on it. It's either we double click on it to drag it, or we double click on it and then we right click and delete it. We can delete it, right? So that's for text box. And this is Fibonacci. We'll talk about that in another session. Then we have time frames here. So you have 1 minute time frame, you have 5 minute time frame, you have 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hour, daily charts, weekly charts, monthly charts. All of these are the charts that we're looking at. So depending on where you want to trade as an individual, you can then come here and select your time frame. You select the time when you are meant to be trading, right? The time frame where you want to analyze the market. Okay. Now, also on top here, you can find you are on candles now. There are other charts. This is a bar chart. This is a line chart. Most of the time, you want to stay with candles because it's easier to analyze a chart using candles. Okay. Then also you have the zoom in and zoom out. Now you can use this zoom, make it bigger, zoom, make it smaller. You can also do it on the sides. If I hold my cursor, if I click on this place and drag it, it will also make it bigger, the bottom here, right? If I come here now and drag like this, it becomes tinier. So I can also use zoom. I can use zoom. I can drag at the bottom or at the sides, and it will still amount to zoom. Also, I can zoom in, zoom out from there, right? Now look at this. This scroll the chart to the end. Once this is selected, it will automatically scroll the chart to the end. So right now, the market is here. That's why you are seeing it here. So if we remove this, now you can push this chart backwards. You can push this chart backwards. You can put, this is useful in certain cases when you want to analyze the chart and you're trying to scroll back to look at what happened historically. What is it that happened historically on the chart? You can do this, right? Once you click on it again, it takes the chart straight to the end. It takes the chart straight to the end. Then the other one is shift end, shift end of charts to the left, to the bottom. Now, if you remove this, you see how price has gotten very close to the right-hand side. Now, you don't want to do this because you want to be able to see what's happening on the right-hand side, because remember, price is moving towards the right. Price is moving towards the right. So you want to create space at the right-hand side. So you click on this. Click on this, then it creates a space by the right-hand side for you. You see? So yes, these are some of the instruments that you have. So you can always have several instruments here. And you see how I'm deleting it? This deletes. I'm removing them here now. So you can just right-click on the instruments and delete. Right-click and delete. Right-click and delete. Right-click, delete, like that. Right? So yeah, I said before, this is where you find your history. Alert news, yes, you can create alerts. Okay, maybe I'll talk about that in another session. Then markets, articles, code base, and all that, right? So yeah. So what I want to do, I want to make these classes very short, a bit short, so that we don't get overwhelmed watching them through. So we're going to end this session here. We're going to have another session where we'll talk about other things on the chart as well. Okay. So if you're watching this video, there's going to be 2 links in the below this video, right? So this training is definitely from Vantage Markets. So you click any of the links to create an account with us on Vantage Market. We do this kind of trainings. We do analysis to help you improve your trading. We have a Telegram group where we show you exactly how you should be trading. The link is going to be also below this video. Click that link to join the Telegram group so you can follow us, follow our we have daily trades, analysis, trade ideas, signals, trainings, and all of that we do in the group on a daily basis. Okay. And even during the weekend, we still do some things on the group. We'll just guide you through to make sure that you're succeeding. Our goal is to make you profitable in your trading, right? And that's for the Telegram group. And if you also don't have an account with Vantage Markets before, Vantage Market is one of the best brokers out there when it comes to spread, when it comes to trading conditions, when it comes to speed of execution, when it comes to brand recognition, when it comes to how big we are in terms of who we are, in terms of regulation and all of that. We are the best. We are one of the best in the market right there. So if you're watching this video, is a call to you to click the link below and create an account to join our platform of Vantage Markets, right? So thank you very much, guys.
Thank you, Mr. Is.
Yes, thank you.